Ukraine has changed the tactics of the counteroffensive, writes the New York Times. After suffering heavy losses, Ukrainians paused to rethink strategy. Early in the counteroffensive, Ukraine lost as much as 20% of its weapons and armor. The rate dropped as the campaign slowed and commanders shifted tactics. Already in the following weeks, this figure dropped to 10% thanks to a new tactic: to wear down the Russians with artillery and long-range missiles instead of the previous constant assaults. But such tactics led to a slowdown in the offensive. Even if you look at the latest military assistance that is being negotiated, this is just art. Projectiles and long-range missiles are all that is needed to support the new tactics. This is important to know to understand the situation at the front. But that good news obscures some grim realities. The losses have also slowed because the counteroffensive itself has slowed and even halted in places, as Ukrainian soldiers struggle against Russia's formidable defenses. And despite the losses, the Ukrainians have so far taken just 5 of the 60 miles they hope to cover to reach the sea in the south and split the Russian forces in 2. The New York Times cites military experts who say that the first 15 miles of the counterattack will be the most difficult, as attacking troops typically need 3 times as many forces, including weapons, personnel, or both, as those defending. And the German Bild writes that the Russian Federation lost its advantage in long-range artillery on the Zaporozhye front. This conclusion was made by an expert commenting on the video of the destruction of the Russian Pantsir-S by a HIMARS missiles. Such videos appear more and more often. Russian air defense has no chance against high-precision NATO artillery, HIMARS, M270, and Mars 2. Belarus. Throw off the Russian occupiers. Belarusians are urged via a broadcast on the radio to resist the Russian takeover of their country. The person who filmed the video said he heard this in Gomel. As soon as Putin falls, Lukashenko is done. Shoigu once wanted to be a truck driver, but it didn't work out. Based on his performance in Ukraine, it was better for Russia if he became a driver.
Хотел быть водителем большегрузной машины, дальнобойщиком, как это говорят. Ездить далеко и долго. Вот.
A German DM-22 mine misses a Russian MTLB. I don't know of any other idea that would unite the Poles so, says ex-Labor Minister of Poland Piotr Kulpa about the support of Ukraine according to a recent opinion poll. Overall, 87% of Poles are for Ukraine being in NATO and realize what could happen afterwards.
На самом деле, если прочитать буквально ответы поляков, это значит, что 40% поляков за немедленный вход Украины в НАТО в условиях войны. Что означает, что 40% поляков логически готово на столкновение с Российской Федерацией ради того, чтобы Украина стала членом западного мира. Смотрите, 40% поляков за то, что готовы идти на войну с Россией ради поддержки Украины. 47% дополнительно это те, которые понимают, что вход Украины сегодня в НАТО, это сразу входит статья 5. Эта война, они за то, чтобы Украина стала членом НАТО в момент, когда горячая фаза войны закончится. В общем, 87% поляков за то, чтобы Украина вошла в НАТО. Я не знаю ни одной идеи в Польше, которая бы объединяла поляков в такой степени. 87% нету поддержки для ни одного учреждения государственного, ни одной религии, ни одной идеи нету. Ничего больше, чтобы объединяло поляков, чем то, что показывают результаты этого вопроса. Поэтому давайте смотреть на это оптимистически и сравнивать это с похожими опросами в других странах. Потому что я думаю, что мы можем соревноваться в том вопросе с балтийскими странами, но ни с кем больше. Понимаете? Вот. Это вопрос, как можно прокомментировать эти опросы. Я скажу, что я горжусь горжусь этим, потому что поляки видят не только через медиа ужас этой войны, но практически каждый день встречая беженцев, людей, которые потеряли свои города, улицы, дома, свою действительность, да, они намного глубже вовлечены в ужас этой войны, чем кто-либо другой.
Operation Interflex, the UK-led infantry training of Ukrainian volunteers, has so far trained 18,000 recruits. Launched on the 26th of June 2022, Interflex teaches Ukrainians how to survive and be lethal in their fight against the illegal invasion of their homeland. Specialists of the 50th Separate Repair and Recovery Regiment of the Operational Command North pulled a Russian T-72B3 tank from the bottom of the Desna River near Chernihiv.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.